In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your notes in Obsidian. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable structure that keeps everything tidy and easy to find. Start by opening Obsidian and loading the vault where you keep your notes. You'll see your workspace with the editor in the middle and the file browser on the left. If the file browser isn't visible, hover to the left edge or toggle the left sidebar so you can see your folders and notes. Next, look for the folder icon in the file browser. Click it to create a new folder. Folders are the backbone of your organization in Obsidian, so give each one a clear descriptive name. Keep names short and consistent so you can scan them quickly later. Think of folders as containers for related notes, not as places to dump everything. With your structure started, click into the editor and type your notes. Obsidian saves automatically, so there's no save button to worry about. Use a clear title at the top and a brief summary in the first few lines to remind yourself what the note is about. Clarity now saves time later. Create a note for your daily work by typing a new note called Daily Note. Many people include the date in the title to keep days in order, like 2025 to 12/05 Daily Note. Use this space to jot tasks, meetings, quick ideas, and anything that belongs to today. Keeping daily thoughts in one place reduces clutter elsewhere. Add another structure for projects and areas. Projects are short-term efforts with an end, while areas are ongoing responsibilities. You can create a projects folder and an areas folder, or create notes that serve as dashboards for each. The key is to separate what ends from what continues so you always know where to put something. When you're ready to add a note inside a folder, right-click the folder and choose New Note. This ensures the note is created in the right place so you won't have to move it later. Name it clearly, like Project Alpha Plan or Finance Area Overview, so it's obvious at a glance. Finally, open the note you just created and type your notes inside. Keep the top of the note focused with a goal, a quick summary, or key actions, then add details below. Short sections make scanning easier and help future you find what you need fast. That's it. Open Obsidian, build simple folders, capture daily work, separate projects and areas, create notes in the right place, and write clearly inside. Keep it consistent, and your vault will stay clean and powerful.